Hello, what's up guys? We are back with another brand new video in which we see the new update of Adobe Illustrator 2022, that is 3D and materials. We'll talk about 3D and materials in this tutorial. This is awesome update of Adobe Illustrator. Now we learn it. I make a simple stroke in 2520 like that, in a simple, don't round it, simple stroke. This is so. After that, go to the effects. Here we go, 3D and materials. The last point is 3D, that is all 3D classic, and above are the new options. This is also a point, we place it on our right icon, that is I convert it into a simple step and this shape becomes a beautiful. See it, this is awesome, I like it. That is very beautiful. Copy and paste for another experience. Here we go, and convert it into the right edges, just like that, and this is convert into a glass. We stretch it on upper side. See, this become a beautiful glass. What we make just a simple stroke with pen tool and convert it into beautiful shapes and 3D look. Now the central point is, this is a very beautiful update from Adobe Illustrator. We change it into different angles. Just see this. When I rotate according to this central point, our shape is convert into different angles, and we see it from all the sides of our shape. Just see it, upper side, down side, and also round it very easily. Just see it. That is amazing. I know you like it very much. We change our glass in different angles. I think this would be amazing. We finish it. Go to objects and expand it. Expand appearance. This is our shape, becomes very beautiful shape. Our glass is done, and if I stretch it from center point to upper side, first of all resize it, stretch into upper side, and we see it from below. That is awesome. So guys, that is our video. Now we met in our another video. If you like the video, please press like button and subscribe my channel for new videos. Thank you.